commit together with our partners in the medical profession, with their patients, the company's unwavering, continuous vision and mission of unwavering support in making sure that we're able to give, the best healthcare diabetic product and services in order to fight diabetes in the country.
And on behalf of the medical profession, we commit today to our patients, our continued crusade in the treatment and management of diabetes.
And to complete this partnership, we, the diabetic patients present here and all over the country, commit today our complete trust and adherence to Merck Serono Philippines and our respective physicians in our global fight against diabetes.
And beginning today, we declare that we shall continue to move against diabetes for life, because together we can make a difference.